Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to import files by dragging them into the app icon in the dock using SwiftUI in macOS. First, let's create a new project. This project is a macOS app. Make sure you choose SwiftUI as the interface, Swift as the language, and we don't need any storage for this implementation. I chose 12 as the minimum deployment target because my target audience usually use lower versions. Considering backward compatibility down the line is crucial for lower versions. Now let's build this application and see what happens. Right now we're dragging some files into the icon in the dock and nothing happened. Let's make some changes. First, go to your target, and there's a tab called Info, and there's a group called Document Types. Add one type. Here, for the identifier, input public.image, and make sure the row is viewer. And now you can build the application. We can test by dragging some files into the icon. See? The icon flickers. That means it's recognized the images. To make the UI show the file names, we need to make some change on the app level. Let's create a new Swift file called app.delegate. In this file, we'll use the publish subscribe pattern, enable the app delegate to communicate the received URLs to the UI layer via notification center. Here in the app delegate, if we receive no URLs, we will do nothing. But if we do receive URLs, we will send notifications to the UI layer. Now, let's go to the app. Here, we can connect the app delegate with app using NS application delegate adapter. Finally, let's go to the content view to update the UI layer. Here, we create a state variable to store the URLs. In the UI, we will show all the URLs line by line. On the content view, we also add a listener to the view. Whenever there is a notification from the notification center, we will update the view. Now the code change is done. Let's test. Now we are dragging a list of files into the icon in the dock. And we can see a list of images paths are being printed correctly in the app, but there's a tons of windows. Let's fix this problem. Inside the app, instead of creating a window group, we will create a window instead. Window is only available for macOS 13 and above, so we'll add a check for version here. So if the user's OS is 13 above, we will show one window, but if it is below that, we will have to show the window group instead. Now let's rebuild and test. The build is done. Now let's drag some images to the dock. And all the images paths are show up. And only one window show up. So the problem is solved. Alright, so that is how to import files by dragging them into the app icon in the dock using SwiftUI. Thank you for watching and see you next time.